Okay, so we have just replaced the cross control module of this car, so we'll do the procedure. We'll have to go module programming. So we have to go Programmable Module Installation, CCM, because that's the module that we have fitted. Okay, yes, that's the correct pin. Now say turn ignition off. Install new module. Ignition on. So yeah, because we didn't get the data from the other module, so we'll have to download it from the server. So we needed internet. Yes, it was done so quick. Now we are programming. It's done. That's it. Turn ignition off. That's it. So then after that, self-test. We'll clear some codes. So we have few codes there. We'll clear them. Ignition on. Okay. Okay, so we don't have codes now, except for this memory card. Yes, there was a problem with the memory card. What's that one? APIM. That's well, that's nothing to do with collision or something. So I'm not gonna worry about that external memory card. And as you can see, we don't have any pre-collision warning codes over there.